Just call me Lokman. I've retired from my full-time day job almost 4 years plus ago. I took a break and then decided to stay active. And so I set up my own little company, consulting company on human resources. For me, I'm retired. I've already accumulated whatever I need to accumulate during my career. And at this stage of my career or life, I've got some funds and I'm basically trying to maximize the yield out of that. And I want to have some protection. So risk management suits certainly with my situation. And to be honest, I've been thinking about the US market for a long time, and I've been trying to go in, but I didn't know that it was possible to do it from Malaysia, that I can actually open an account, as a non-resident, and I can actually trade. And not many people may know that. Okay, so by nature, I'm a pretty conservative person, and I'm also an engineer by training. So I like structure, and so the approach, the methodologies that you have shared with us have kind of fits my values, my principles very well. And what I like about it, the fact that you certainly put in a lot of safety margins, especially in terms of making sure that people don't just risk their NLVs and whatever funds that they have. And so I think that part of it really syncs well with my direction of my approach. The fact that you've taught us or shared with us a very structured way, and within the structure, there are a lot of mitigating steps to minimize risks. And that's something which I've not seen anywhere. The one that I like about BI is, like I said, if you follow, if it's like a waterfall approach, that every step of the waterfall, mitigating steps to minimize risk. And you will only fail if you don't follow it. I think particularly from Beyond Insight is because of the approach that you have shared with us personally as the risk management part of it. And also the fact that you have lots of coaches able to share and willing to share their experiences. The tutorials have helped. I like them. I think everybody should. I mean, the problem with stock market is just a lot of people are ignorant about it, particularly for the younger folks, right? I mean, people who are starting their careers, and these are the ones who should really be looking at growth investing. If you start early in your career, and by the time you get to your mid-career or end of your career, you've already created enough portfolio or asset for yourself that you don't have to depend on ETF or depend on some savings. So I think if they know about this opportunity earlier, and you don't have to invest a lot, and that's the thing.